Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a trunk club unboxing. If you'd like to see what I got and see me try it on, keep on watching. Okay, so this box came a week ago. I just have been so crazy, I haven't had time to open, like sit down and film. But I ripped this thing open right away because I knew I was getting this tote. It is so cute. I ripped it open and used it that night. I had specifically asked for a tote to use. My hair is falling out. As a lot of you know, I'm a preschool special education teacher, so I need a lot of functional clothing, which I've been asking for, and that's what I asked for in this box. But I also am a college professor. Yeah, like two ends of the spectrum. And I had a bag that I've been using for what, 5 years or so, and so I needed a new one, so I pulled this out and used it right away. I love it. It is, I gotta actually open the box again. So I didn't even open any of the stuff. I just got so excited. So this is by Soul Society, that I know, and it's $64.95, and I love it. I actually purchased another Soul Society bag for my other job. It's a little bit bigger at Nordstrom's for the anniversary sale, and I love it, but it literally fits like all my stuff that I need. I always have a binder, I always have markers and stuff like this, and all my students' stuff in here. So yeah, it's genius. Love it. So good. So definitely, for sure, obviously keeping that. Lucy did a great job. I got so excited. So Trunk Club is another subscription clothing service. It's a Nordstrom affiliated company. I guess that's what it is. It's a Nordstrom company, and it works really similar to Stitch Fix, except for it's a $25 styling fee instead of $20. And if you use your Nordstrom's card, they waive that fee every single time. They also give you the opportunity to preview your box. You can then state what you'd like to keep, what you don't want, and then you can choose to only have them ship what you approved, or fill in the spots with new stuff that you didn't want. They take away what you didn't want and replenish the item, like new items for those spots. You don't get to preview those, but I like it because it's a little bit of a surprise also. You get a lot of back and forth conversation with your stylist, in the sense that you have these like text messages. I think they can even call you if you wanted that, but you can have these chats whenever you want with your stylist. So yeah, so, and just like a little bit of an idea of kind of like how it kind of works is that I sent Lucy a note a while ago about kind of stuff I wanted, and then she sent me the trunk, and it really didn't match up to what I'd wanted. And I think that what had happened was that she forgot that I had sent that note so long ago. We had a conversation in between, so I declined the entire trunk because it had some cute stuff but nothing that was like what I was looking for. So I declined the whole trunk, and I was like, can you just send me a whole new trunk? She's like, sure. Is there any pieces that you wanted in the previous trunk that you declined that maybe you wanted? And I was like, no, let's just start fresh. So she did that. So you have a little bit of an idea, and so you get these huge packages, usually between like 10 and 12 items. I have 14, so you get a huge amount. Now the only thing with the Trunk Club is you don't get a discount for keeping all of it, but also like, who would keep all of it? Maybe people, but 14 items would be pricey. Also, these are all things you can find at Nordstrom's or Nordstrom.com. So if you see something you like, you know, you can always look online for it. So okay, so let's get started. The bag obviously was a keeper. Love it. So excited to try it. So these are, I can see things, these are actually really nice. These are leggings. Over here they look like this, nice and stretchy. And I've never tried these leggings before, and these are the Yummie by Heather Thompson Rachel high waist leggings, and they are $43.11. So those look good. I could always use leggings for work because they're easy to move in, and I can usually dress them up, especially when it becomes winter with cardigans. That's what I really enjoy. Okay, so this is the Caslon. There's so many things on here, so I have to like really look. Oh, the Peplum tee, and it's $39 in navy. So here's the Peplum tee. And cute. Sometimes these kind of shirts don't look that good on me, so it'll be interesting to see what it looks like. Also, you guys, just a tidbit, is when you preview your trunk, you can tell them, you can go in and look at the item and see if there's other colors and request another color. So that's really cool. You can also do that when you exchange. Let's say I really do like this, but I'm not feeling the color. When I go online to say what I want to keep and what I want to return, I can change the color. Sometimes the colors that you want aren't available, or the sizes are limited, but it's always really nice. It's just a nice little thing. So this is also a Caslon in the color, gosh, I don't even know. This goes under stone, and it's the Ruched shoulder cotton blend tank. Oh, this is cute. So it's a v-neck. It has the little tie, and the front is like a t-shirt material, and the back is more like a cotton material. Cotton blend tank. It's $29. What a great price. So this could be really cute for work. Little tank underneath. I really like the color. I don't buy a lot of that color, so that's great. Okay, this is by Bobeau. B-O-B-E-A-U. Bobeau. That's how I'm pronouncing it. That's probably wrong. And this is the knit t-shirt cotton dress in red, and this is $59. So cute. It's really long. I'm not sure about this. Red, I don't know. I probably, it's fine. I don't know that I would wear it. It's real bright for me. Okay, this is a Lush tank. I actually have a few of these. I can tell. I approve this one by accident. I meant to not approve it. This is by Lush. Yeah, it's the Lush roll tab sleeve woven shirt in navy. It's $38. It's actually cute, so it's worth a shot. I have a white one and I think a black one, but I actually kind of like this little polka dot, this navy blue. So maybe I'm glad I approved it. I don't have anything like this. Super cute. These wash. Lush is just, it's a BP brand, and it washes really well, really easy to take care of. I approve this one. I really, really like this shirt, and I think it's by Caslon. Yeah, and it says it's an ivory. It's not ivory. There is an ivory one, but it's the mixed lace knit tank, and it's $49. And I just thought this was so cute. I love the color. So super, super cute. I think it's going to be nice and flowy. I love this type of shirt, so hopefully it looks good. Awesome. Okay, so next up, this is Willow and Clay, and it's embroidered shift dress, and it is $99. I don't love this dress. It's gonna go way too deep, and I mean, and if you're like, oh, that's probably not work appropriate, no, a mix of things was totally fine. I told her that's when you get 14 items, it's fine. Okay, this is by Rag & Bone. I've been wanting a shirt like this. It's, oh, not Rag & Bone, sorry, Treasure and Bond, and it's a roll tab sleeve woven shirt. Nope, that's not what it is. It's the Burnout boyfriend tee in charcoal. It's $25. I've heard these shirts were really comfy and nice. Yeah, they're really soft. Okay, this is the Vince Camuto Melange jersey t-shirt dress in indigo night heather. This is $89. I thought this was cute. It's just a little shift dress. It's pretty see-through because I can see my ring light, but I thought it was cute. The pattern was kind of fun. So it's really kind of thicker than I thought, which I like, and I like that color, so that has some potential. Okay, next up is the Wit and Wisdom super smooth stretch denim skinny jeans in navy, $64. These are cute. My friend and I were just talking about Wit and Wisdom. They actually fit really well, especially if you're kind of shorter. These look a little long, but you never know. And they're always a good price point. They're really comfy, so I like the color of that. What are they? Okay, and then a few more pieces to go. This is, I think, by Caslon too. And it is the striped cotton blend trapeze dress. It's $49. Again, it says the color ivory. This is not ivory. So the colors, this has never happened before where the colors are a little bit screwy. But, oh, this is cuter than I thought. So it's the front and then it ties in the back. Like, how cute is that? I don't know that I'm a big fan on stripes. I don't know, I have so many striped dresses and the color is cute. It could be cute for fall with the jean jacket. I just really like that accent in the back. Okay, next we have two jewelry pieces. You know, she threw these in, I didn't approve. I don't typically like getting jewelry. And I've kept a piece though, actually, that she's given me. And this is the, I just like ripped the bag. Panacea triple strand circle necklace, $24. Not super pricey. It's really like, I'm just gonna try this on right here for you. I'm not gonna put it on all the way. It's really cute. You can kind of see it's actually cuter than I thought. The layeredness to it. I always like, I don't want jewelry, but then I try them on. I'm like, oh, they're kind of cute. I've done that more than once. Okay. This is the BP brand, and this is the plate and disc layered necklace. It's $19. I love the jewelry. It's like a good price point because most days I don't wear any jewelry just because I'm working with kids. That's too risky. I don't want to take it off of this. And I love the layering. I do really like the layered pieces, and I like the bar. It's actually really cute. But yeah, so we'll see. I might keep one of them, and my feeling is on the other one I kind of like the way it is, but that's pretty too. So I don't know about those. I'll let you guys know. What I'll do is try it on. If you're interested in any of the items either in your trunk club or you're interested in getting them from Nordstrom's or Nordstroms.com, I leave all the information down below and a little asterisk on the bottom that tells you what I decided to keep. I don't always make my final decision during this video because, you know, I gotta think it over. Okay, so let's get to the try. Okay, so here we are with the first dress. I don't love this. I thought it was shift dress for me could either go really flattering and not so flattering. This one I'm just not feeling like it's that flattering. So it could be the fact that it feels a little long in the back. Again, I have like a tank top underneath, but I don't know. It's okay. The back is cute. I'm just not feeling it as much as I'd like to. So let's move on to the next one. So next we have this one. I think it's a Vince Camuto. I don't know. I thought it'd be more flattering, but it's not really. I don't know. I had high hopes. I just don't feel like it really does anything for my shape. So like I literally thought this would be the winner, but I'm not in love with it. So let's move on to the next. Okay, so next up is this dress. I can just tell. You can usually tell by going like this. Like, in my boobs it's gonna be tight and I don't love it to begin with. I have really nowhere to wear this because even if I were to wear it for something like teaching at night, because can teach my college students, like this is not appropriate either. Like it showed too much. Those other dresses that are high necked could be something I wear when I teach with heels. I feel like they're comfy. It's still not revealing too much, but this is just not appropriate for any of my workplaces, and we're heading into fall and I don't foresee myself wearing this type of dress. So I'm not gonna try it on. I don't want to get stuck in it. So on to the next one. Okay, so here's the resin dress. It's kind of like the rest of them, not flattering, just kind of like sits there. Nothing great. This one is really long for my frame. I feel like this really doesn't do anything for it. I'm gonna move on to the shirt. This is my sad face. I love this shirt, and this is when boobs really get in the way. So one, it just feels really tight right here, even though I love it. So it just like cuts it off weird at my boobs. Like, look at that. And then it's okay, but So, okay, so this is what people don't understand with people with big boobs. And there have been so many of you who've been so supportive, and some people who have not been so supportive, and just like get a bigger size, right? Which solves some of the issues sometimes. But for a shirt like this, if I were to go up a size, I'd look like a freaking balloon. It just, because then it begins to be like so much extra material that it's not flattering. So tops like this can go either way, and unfortunately, as much as I love this one, it just really doesn't fit my body type, and that's okay. Not everything's going to. So on to the next one. I love t-shirts, and this is no exception. It is so soft. It is so comfy. It's like nice and loose, so you could tie it if you wanted a like a more fitted look. You could tie it, which would be really cute too. Give it a crop kind of look. I love this shirt. May see if they have another color, because the funny part is my mom has a shirt very similar that she wears around the house because she got it for super cheap at Cotton On, and it reminds me of that shirt. And so I don't know, the color, I might exchange it for a different color. So plus I have a lot of gray and white, so it might be good to change up the shirt color. So okay, so here's a Peplum tee. I wasn't sure at first how much I'd like it, because again, Peplum can go one of two ways. I either love it or hate it, but I feel like this is a nice one because it goes just like straight down, so it just gives like a t-shirt a different vibe. I actually think this would be perfect for work. It's really comfortable. I feel like it does a little cute little swingy, skinny jeans and like a sandal. I think it could work. So I actually really like it, and I love this color. So okay, another win. I really love this shirt. Pretty cute t-shirt in the front, got cotton in the back. This is a medium, and I like it a little looser. For all of you that like, there's so many people, especially my Stitch Fix, who are so unkind about sizes, because I can wear anything from a medium to an extra large. That's just the way my body is. So Lucy is really good because I think she's gotten the hang of what needs to be large or extra large and what can be a medium. T-shirts and stuff like that are all mediums. Everything I've tried on that's a t-shirt is a medium. Things that don't have any give is when I need a large, and sometimes even an extra large. But again, typically large, because once I get to extra large, it can look too like parachutey. So okay, I like this, but I would like a large. This is a medium and it fits okay, but when I'm working with kids, I like to feel extra roomy. So in the Lush shirt, I actually really like it. I just don't have anything like this. It's really cute. I might see if they have an extra large in this, just to be a little bit more comfy. Again, it fits fine. Again, everything is good. It just feels like a little like snugger than I prefer. Some people like their stuff like tighter fitting. I like mine just to be a little bit looser. Again, when I'm working with kids, I want it to be loose enough without looking frumpy, and I feel like I could go up a size in this because, you know, because I could. So I really actually like this. So next one. So I just have these leggings. I don't like them. They're too much cotton in them. I could like put them on and I was like, ooh. I like my work like leggings to be a different material than this, because it just feels like thick and not that movable, and the kind you could probably see through. Oh yeah, so I like mine with a little bit more spandex. These are mostly cotton, and that's just not how I'm gonna, and again, I didn't want to put them on. The feeling was giving me literally heebie-jeebies. So I'm gonna try the jeans on next. I don't have. Okay, so here are the jeans. They're too long, they're too like baggy, so these ones are no good. They're also kind of scratchy, so they're okay, but they're bunchy because they're too long. So yeah, so overall it was a really good trunk. I was really happy with some of the pieces that I got. So I'll leave all the information down below of what I get, of what I've received in the box, and then a little asterisk to let you know what I decided to keep. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.